Today we're diving deep into the world of handheld gaming PCs, with a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Asus ROG Ally X and the ever-popular Lenovo Legion Go. These powerful machines promise to take your on-the-go gaming to the next level, but they come with some hefty price tags. So the big question is, which one should you buy? Well, that's what exactly we are here to find out. We'll break down everything from performance and design to battery life and software. I'll even share my own thoughts and opinions to help you decide which handheld is right for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. First off, let's talk about the design and display. Both of these handhelds have a lot in common, like the traditional controller-style layouts with face buttons, joysticks, and D-pads. However, the Legion Go takes a unique twist with detachable controllers that can be used as a mouse. This is pretty cool and adds some versatility. While the Ally X is slightly larger and heavier, it might feel more comfortable, especially for those with bigger hands. Moving on to screens, the Legion Go boasts an 8.8-inch display with a stunning 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, the Ally X has a 7-inch display with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. While the Ally X is more comfortable, the Legion Go's higher resolution display and innovative detachable controllers make it the winner in this category. When it comes to hardware and performance, both devices are powered by Ryzen Z1 Extreme chips, so they're pretty similar in this department. However, the Ally X edges out with 24GB of RAM compared to the Legion Go's 16GB of RAM. It also features a redesigned cooling system that promises better heat dissipation. While the difference in performance might not be drastic, those extra 8GB of RAM and improved cooling could give the Ally X an edge in more demanding games. So, in terms of raw power and performance, the Ally X takes the lead. Additionally, the redesigned cooling system in the Ally X means you can game longer without worrying about overheating, which is a significant advantage during intense gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about something crucial for handheld gaming, the battery life. The Legion Go comes with a 49.2 watt-hour battery, which is decent but not outstanding. On the other hand, the Ally X packs an impressive 80 watt-hour battery, which is double the capacity of the original Ally. In real-world use, this means you can expect around 6 hours of gaming on the Ally X, depending on what you're playing. This is a significant improvement, and a big win for the Ally X. If battery life is a priority for you, the Ally X is the clear choice. This longer battery life can make a huge difference, especially if you're planning on using your handheld for extended periods without access to a charger. Speaking of extended use, let's touch on ergonomics and build quality. While the Ally X is slightly bulkier, and it has a more refined build that feels sturdy in hand, the materials used give it a premium feel, and the buttons are well placed and responsive. On the other hand, the Legion Go with its detachable controllers might feel a bit less solid due to the modular design, but it still offers a comfortable grip. The detachable controllers are a unique feature that provides flexibility, allowing you to use them as a mouse or attach them to the device for traditional handheld gaming. This could be a game changer for those who prefer a more versatile gaming experience. Now let's dive into the gaming experience itself. The Ally X, with its higher RAM and better cooling, handles demanding games with ease. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 run smoothly in this device, with minimal lag and excellent frame rates. The 120Hz refresh rate on its 1080p screen ensures fluid gameplay, which is essential for fast-paced games. On the other hand, the Legion Go with its larger screen and higher resolution offers a more immersive visual experience. Games look stunning on the 2K display, and the 144Hz refresh rate adds to the smoothness of the gameplay. However, the slightly lower RAM might mean a bit of compromise on multitasking capabilities and performance in the most demanding games. When considering the price and availability of these two devices, the Ally X is currently up for pre-order and will start shipping in July for $800. Unlike its predecessor, the original ROG Ally, this model doesn't come with multiple configurations. You get one version and that's it. On the other hand, the Lenovo Legion Go starts at $700, and if you need more storage, you can opt for the $750 model, which gives you 1 TB of storage instead of 512 GB. One area where the Legion Go really shines is in its innovative controls. The detachable controllers not only offer versatility, but also come with features like haptic feedback and customizable buttons. This adds another layer of immersion to your gaming experience. The Ally X sticks to a more traditional control scheme, which, while comfortable and familiar, doesn't offer the same level of innovation. If you're someone who likes to tweak and customize your gaming setup, the Legion Go's controller options might appeal to you more. In terms of storage, both devices offer adequate options, but the Legion Go's flexibility with its 1 TB model gives it a slight edge. With games getting larger and larger, having more storage is always a good thing. However, the Ally X's SSD options are no slouch either, and for most users, 512 GB will be more than enough, especially with the option to expand storage via microSD cards on both devices. So, which one should you buy? Well, if you're looking for raw power with extended battery life and a premium build, the ROG Ally X stands out as the better option. Its 24 GB of RAM, superior cooling system, and 80 Wh battery make it a beast in the handheld gaming space. On the other hand, if you value a larger screen with a higher resolution display and innovative control options, the Legion Go might be more up your alley. Its 8.8-inch screen, detachable controllers, and slightly lower price point offer a unique and versatile gaming experience. Ultimately, your decision might come down to how much you're willing to spend and which features you prioritize most. As for my final verdict, both the Asus ROG Ally X and the Lenovo Legion Go are fantastic gaming handhelds, each with their own set of strengths and weaknesses. The Ally X excels in performance, battery life, and build quality, making it our top choice for those who want the best of the best. Meanwhile, the Legion Go, with its impressive display, innovative controls, and budget-friendly options, provides a compelling alternative that shouldn't be overlooked. And that wraps up my comparison between two handheld gaming giants. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let me know in the comments which handheld you're leaning towards and why. See you in the next video.